Bless you all, my children. Do you think a thief, international thief, should have an Instagram account? Like, hey.
सर 2025 में तो होना चाहिए. आपको भी नेटफ्लिक्स का सब्सक्रिप्शन देना पड़ता है या आपको फ्री मिल रहा है?
नहीं, मुझे भी देना पड़ता है.
आपको देना पड़ता है? अच्छा, I was
499 or something.
मैं तो
That's lesser.
See,
It's
guys,
more expensive.
He gets a discount?
I get a discount.
Yeah,
As the
actually,
first-
even I pay more.
It's not the number.
I pay
it's
more.
the value
Yeah.
for money.
नहीं वैल्यू है, पूरी है वो तो. मेरे को लगा था कि अब तक तो जयदीप जी और सैफ को तो अकाउंट परमानेंटली फ्री दे दिया होगा. नहीं ऐसा?
No amazing.
फिर ठीक है,
people
फिर
would
ठीक है.
have
फिर
Everybody pays.
everybody pays. Then it's fine. So I just wanted
Some
to.
people pay less, Seth. I mean, just you're paying a little more.
But Saif sir, I just want to check with you, because you, as I said, you've been ahead of the curve. Could you share with us, when you see things around, what are the Gen Z trends which you think will now...
Also, your earlier question, if a friend owns a restaurant, I don't like going there for free meals. I think friends should pay, and I don't like taking advantage of things like that. So.
मैं कल से तेरे साथ पासवर्ड शेयर नहीं करूँगा अपना, बस.
What about Gen Z?
So I wanted to know, I just wanted to know, you've got young kids. क्या ट्रेंड चल रहा है सर? कुछ है अंदाजा कि क्या हो रहा है Gen Z की दुनिया में?
नहीं, I don't know, Hopefully the makers know. Hopefully the platform knows. We're actors. When we get an offer, hopefully it comes from a space where people have done a little thinking about what kind of films they should be made. And we're lucky, we get lots of different types of offers. And hopefully the offer is based on some kind of knowledge.
Fair enough.
I think producers should know this, even more than actors. And yeah, I am in touch with, but it's very difficult to predict trends. I think if you follow yourself, right, if you do something you really believe, I'll tell you about clothes, for example. I feel I've had a sense of fashion because it's what I believe in my heart. So I think if you strongly feel something, then chances are people will agree with you. But if you try and imagine what somebody else would want, you'll fail because it's impossible to do that. True. But since we're all quite similar, if you really try and please yourself, and hopefully a lot of people will agree with you. Does that answer your?
It does, sir. It does. Edit कर देना ये वाला.
Professional. Thank you, buddy. Bless you all, my children.
His children, please stand up in the crowd.
No,
नहीं.
वो देख.
Yay!
ओह, 2 बच्चे हैं.
Control.
All cheerers, pick up your checks outside the front door. Thank you. If my character had an Instagram account, it would be called...
No, Jules. No, come on.
It'd be something to do with
बनाया तो होगा आपने.
diamonds or jewelry or some kind of... Call me for stealing, I don't know what, something. He definitely, I think... Do you think a international thief should have an Instagram account? Like, hey.
Sir, 2025 में तो होना चाहिए. और in fact आपको reels भी बनानी चाहिए.
This is my house and please, any...
Let's not talk about that.
Any theft, I can be reached at this number.
Fantastic.
Yeah, it's a really good idea for a thief, international jewel thief, to have an Instagram account. No. You're not going to ask me what I want to steal from my co-star?
Please, I will.
I want to steal Jaideep Arawat's feminine charm. He's very graceful, but Nikita's manly laugh, because I wish I had a slightly more. If you have to hear her laugh. And
I really didn't expect that coming. I thought you said something nice.
आज खुश तो बहुत.
You're not going to see me laughing in the film, Saving Grace.
And I wouldn't mind being as tall as Kunal, okay?
What about the person who's sitting right next to you here, Siddharth Anand?
Stealing from
him.
I don't have to steal from him. He gives me.
Wow.
He gives me.
Fantastic.
He's always given me.